Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a poem written by William Shakespeare. The title of the poem is The Seven Ages. William Shakespeare was the greatest dramatist of Elizabethan age. He was born on 26 April 1564 and he died on 23 April 1616. Shakespeare, an English poet and playwright, regarded as the greatest writer of English language. His pen name is the Bard of Avon. Shakespeare had raised the dramatic art to the heights of excellence. He was the greatest dramatist of Elizabethan age. He wrote many famous dramas. That's why the time period when he wrote his dramas is also called the Age of Shakespeare. He composed 37 plays, 154 sonnets and other poems. His famous plays are Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, Macbeth, As You Like It, The Tempest, etc. Among them, Hamlet, Othello, King Lear and Macbeth. These four are regarded as his greatest famous tragedies. As You Like It is a pastoral comedy. This play is also included in your syllabus, and the poem about which we are going to deal with is also taken from this drama As You Like It. Now there is a short introduction about the poem. All the world's stage is the phrase that begins a monologue from William Shakespeare's pastoral comedy As You Like It, spoken by character Jacques in Act 2, Scene 7 and line number 138. ये जो पोएम है ये एक ड्रामा एज यू लाइक इट से ली गई है और एज यू लाइक इट में एक कैरेक्टर है जैकस जो कि इस ड्रामा के सेकंड एक्ट के 7th सीन में इस स्पीच को इस मोनोलॉग को बोलता है. द स्पीच कंपेयर्स द वर्ल्ड टू ए स्टेज एंड लाइफ टू ए प्ले. इस स्पीच में पूरे संसार की तुलना एक स्टेज से और हमारे जीवन की तुलना एक ड्रामा से की गई है. एंड इट कैटलॉग्स द 7 स्टेजेस ऑफ मैन्स लाइफ, sometimes referred to as the 7 ages of man. और यहाँ जो रोल बताए गए हैं एक ह्यूमन बीइंग के द्वारा इनेक्ट किए जाने वाले, द नंबर ऑफ these roles or number of these stages is 7. The birth and death in this world is quite similar to stage entrance and exits. हमारा जो जन्म है उसे एक तरह से स्टेज के एंट्रेंस के साथ कंपेयर किया गया है एंड डेथ इज कंपेयर्ड विद स्टेज एग्जिट. Now, what are the 7 stages described by William Shakespeare in this drama? According to Shakespeare's character Jacques, a man goes through 7 stages in his life. These 7 stages are infancy, schoolboy, teenager, young man, middle-aged, old-aged, then dotage, and after dotage there is death. We can understand these 7 stages by this picture very efficiently. At first stage we see that there is a picture of an infant. At this time he is a helpless baby just crying and vomiting in his nurse's arm. At the second stage there is a picture of schoolboy. This is the stage where his formal education starts, but he is not entirely happy with school. His mother is ambitious for him and has washed his face thoroughly before sending him to school, but he goes very slowly and reluctantly like a snail. Now comes the third stage. It is the stage of a lover. Now he is grown up and his main interest is his beloved. He is sentimental, sighing and writing poems about his beloved's beauty. After lover there comes fourth stage. It is the stage of a soldier. At this stage he is bold and fearless, passionate in the causes he is prepared to fight for, and quickly springs into action. He works for his reputation and takes risk for this purpose. After fourth stage there comes the stage number 5, which is the stage of a judge. Judge regards himself as wise and experienced and does not mind sharing his views and ideas with anyone and likes making speeches. He has made a name for himself and is prosperous and respected. As a result of his success, he has become vain. He enjoys the finer things of life like good food. Next come the stage number 6. It is the stage of a old person. Now he is old and has completely changed physically as well as mentally. He looks and behaves like an old man. He is thin and his voice is also changed. After old age there comes dotage, or we can say it is second childhood. Now a man loses his senses, his hair and teeth fall out and his sight goes. Then he loses everything and becomes the victim of forgetfulness. After this stage, he leaves this drama with his death. So these are the 7 stages which are described by William Shakespeare in this poem. In the next lecture, we will discuss the poem itself in